Let's go.
Yes.
Yeah, you got your nice.
What's happening, everybody? This is me, Ruhama. Standing next to me is the one and only MACG. So I'm going to teach you one word in Spanish, and the word is pero.
Pero.
Yeah.
Pero. What does that mean?
Take one guess. What do you think it means?
Pero is like not high. Like what's up?
It means but.
But.
Yeah.
Pero.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pero es buenas, so it means you, but you are good.
What's buenos?
Buenas.
Buenas. Pero buenas.
Yes, which means but you good. Yeah.
Pero buenas.
Yes, pero buenas.
Pero buenas.
Yeah, thank you so much.
And then ya kotwana, how do you say it in Spanish?
I don't know.
Poro.
So the word of the day is pero, which is basically a but that you put in between sentences, like pero eres buena or pero no lo creo, basically, but I don't think so. So it's basically a but you put in any sentence. Pero, but.
Go, MACG!